Hello everyone. It's been a long time since the last video. I hope everybody is doing good. Today we have another video about this is actually a 2020 Nissan Armada SL, and we are doing the replacing the cabin filter. It's gonna be a quick video, easy job, do it yourself. Actually, I started on it already. So you come over here to the passenger side, see the glow box. You open it, and then you're gonna see 3 screws, like one. I'm gonna back up so you can see 1, 2, and the third one right here in the corner. I'll show you right there. So we're gonna have to remove those 3 screws, and we're gonna need this star T20. It's T20, and you're gonna need some kind of drive. So I just used this little socket, shoved that in there. I'm gonna use this. So, but you guys can use a screwdriver like this as a drive. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take remove these screws, and then we'll go from there. All right. After removing the 3 screws, we're gonna come to the bottom right here. There's this panel right here, and just pull it out, just like that. Okay. Yeah, after you pull it out, you're gonna see another 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna go ahead and remove those 2. All right, I'm gonna have to set my phone down so I can show you. So after I removed 6 screws, I'm gonna go ahead and actually there's a light right here with this. There was like 2 tabs on the side. Push on them so the light can go inside. That way you don't pull it out with the glow box. So after removing 6 screws, I'm gonna try to pull this out. And the bottom panel, you can just let it hang. Don't worry about it. And just be easy. Alright. There you go. Alright. So after removing it, just set it down. There you go. This is the light that I was talking about. It goes like this through the hole. We do these 2 tabs right here. Just push on them, it will come up. So anyways, and this is, push this somewhere and go my way. I don't know if you guys can see or not. All right, that's good. See this right here? This is your cabin filter right here. So I'm gonna push on these 2 tabs on the side. 1 and 2. There we go. Okay. As you can see, this cabin filter already been replaced. Otherwise, it will say Nissan on it. But let's see. I'm gonna pull it out. See if it's dirty, we'll change it. If not, put it back on. Okay, it's kind of dirty. So, yep. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change it. All right, I'm gonna set the phone down. Take the new filter. Alright. Okay. If you get another filter that has arrows, you see the arrows facing down? That's how you're supposed to put it. Like that. Don't put it like this. Arrow down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright. Put this cover back. Make sure it clicks in there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just reverse the work that I did. Put everything back as you took it off. I think it's an easy job for you. You can do it yourself. And this is it. That should be it. So when you put this back, you see these right here? These holes, 1, 2, 3, they're gonna go on these. 1, 2, and 3. And then you just put it back in there. But before you snap it in there, make sure you put this through the hole right there, like this. Use choose tabs on the side and shove it in there, and it should be good to go. And hey guys, a quick note. I know I told you to start with these tabs first. Don't do that. Actually, there's 3 holes on each side. You're gonna line them up with the glove box, and you snap them in there first. Then you go down, start with your bottom screws, and then top screws, and you should be good to go. All right, guys, that's it. Easy job. You can do it yourself. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And if you feel this video was helpful for you, please give me that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. All right, guys, I will see you in another video.